Yeah. Get up.
What is up, T.O.Gs? We are out here near beautiful Folsom, California. Look at some of these views, are just spectacular, especially in the fall here. Leaves are changing color, and it's just good times to have. So coming up here shortly, I'm going to be putting together a series of videos that are going to talk in depth about how to get your motovlogging channel up and running. I've actually written out a script and everything, so it's very thorough. I'm going to try not to touch on a lot of subjects that I think have been not necessarily have been overdone, but oh, that's cool. Got the flag hanging over the Rainbow Bridge. Well, that's spectacular. So I don't want to talk about things that have been overdone already. I'm not going to do a helmet cam setup because, you know, everyone and their mom has done a helmet cam setup. I will definitely show you how my helmet is set up, and I'm happy to do that. But I don't want to do an entire like tutorial video on how to set your helmet up. But it is going to be in depth about starting your channel. We're going to talk realistically about how much time is involved. You know, what kinds of things that you need to get to start your channel out. In that way, it's going to be very, very thorough and very, what's the word I'm looking for? Over-encompassing, that's the wrong word. But it's going to be very thorough. We'll just leave it at that. But before I finalize my script, before I finalize my talking points, I wanted to get some feedback from you guys on maybe some things that you would like to hear about, that you would like to see, or you'd like me to talk about in a comprehensive, that's the word I was looking for, in a comprehensive how to start a motovlogging channel. And so that's going to be coming up here in the coming few weeks and months. I'm going to record it all at once, and then maybe we'll release one a week. But before that's all taken care of and I start recording that stuff, I actually wanted to get some of your feedback to see if there's something maybe that I hadn't thought about that you would like me to talk about. So please, in the comments below, or if you want to, I'm on social media. The links are down in the description in every single one of my videos if you want to check out my webpage or any of my social media accounts. Please do that. And that's the way you can get a hold of me. You can PM me, you can DM me, you can shoot me a message from my website. These are all ways that you can get a hold of me and let me know, hey, you know, I'd love it if you talk about this. But obviously the most simple way to do it is just scroll down to the comments below and ask me if there's something that I could talk about for you in that series of videos. It's going to be 3 parts, and we're just going to break it down and talk about what you need to do to get your channel started. I know a lot of people have left in comments before, you know, I want to start a channel, I'm going to start a channel, there's only a couple things that need to fall in line so I can do it. And I just thought, you know, a lot of people talk about how they set their cameras up and how they set up the technical side of it, and we will go into that a little bit. But more so what I want to do is just talk about just everything that it takes to get a channel up and running, and then a little bit about maybe about what you need to be successful in your endeavor of creating a motovlogging channel for yourself. Alright guys, but that is all I wanted to talk about today, is to share with you what's coming up, and also to definitely and hopefully get a little bit of feedback from all of you on those things. But guys, that's all I've got for you today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. It's like when you smash the buzzer on Family Feud. That's what I want you to do to the subscribe button down there. Alright guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy. And I am out.